This is Moshe, the electric Israeli, in my awesome Model 3, Tesla Model 3, and today's subject is being discussed so much in the past week or so is what to do with the shorts. What does that mean? Does that mean people are wearing shorts? I'm wearing shorts right now. There's nothing you need to do with me, huh? But the investors, and I don't call them investors, who short Tesla. In other words, they bet that Tesla stock is going to go below a certain number, and that's how they make money. How to deal with them? And a lot of people get mad, and these are haters. These are people who wish and look for Tesla to fail. And the best thing to do is do not curse, do not even get mad. Treat them with facts. One of the cruelest things in life is facts, okay? And facts, the fact is that Tesla has delivered this year so far over 110,000 cars. Delivered this month over 22,000 cars, Tesla Model 3s. Delivered in the last quarter over 80,000 Teslas. Okay, the best thing, and this is my offer to you, but the best thing to do is let them drive it. If you want to test drive my Tesla Model 3, I am around in the Northern Jersey, New York City. I'm going to be in Maryland in a week and a half. I am going to be in Florida in December. I post videos every day. You can test drive my Tesla. You can test drive my Leaf. You can test drive my Chevy Volt. You know, and if you own an electric car, a Tesla or any electric car, let them drive it. Once they taste the forbidden fruit, and this is not forbidden, once they get a taste of it, they never going to look back. I will never drive a gasoline car in my life. I will never spend $1 on gasoline in my life. All right, so that's what you do. Let them butts and seats. What the shorts are so jealous is that Tesla is having this great success spending $0 on advertisement. People like us are doing it for them, and they will look and they will find any dumb excuse, especially Bob Lutz, that old nice guy who is really you know, whatever. Like I said, let's treat everybody with love. Bob Lutz is responsible for the Chevy Volt, which I drive, so he gets a pass. All right, and others, real haters, real jealous haters. What you do with them? You show success. Show me the numbers. Remember Jerry Maguire, the movie? Show me the money. Show me the numbers. Here are the numbers. Tesla is number 5 in all car sales in sedans. It outsold Lexus, BMW, Mercedes, and somebody else, all combined. All right, let them drive your car. I'm more than happy, and you tell me if what you're driving is better than this one. So, you know, let the fact speak for themselves. And the people who never want to change are just jealous and just want to make an easy buck because they have all kinds of foreign motives. I call it foreign motives. Now let them talk. Let them talk. It doesn't matter. All right. So if you have better suggestions, I'm so happy to hear that. You can put this in the comments below. In the meantime, please subscribe to my channel. Help us change the world one electric car at a time, and support this channel by becoming a patron. And I'll see you tomorrow with another video.